Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your career pivot story using Miro boards, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Miro and create a new board. Familiarize yourself with the Miro interface. On your new board, create sections for each stage of your career pivot. Label the first section Current Career. In this section, list your current job title, responsibilities, and any skills related to your role. Next, create a section titled Desired Career. Outline your ideal job title, required skills, and key responsibilities. In a third section, label it Transferable Skills. Identify skills gained from your current role that can apply to your desired career. Use sticky notes to jot down these skills. Now, create a gap analysis section. List out the skills or experience you need to obtain for your desired career. Next, create an action plan section. Outline steps to fill those gaps, such as taking courses or gaining relevant experience. Use connecting arrows to visualize the relationship between your current skills and the skills needed for your desired career. Add images or icons to your Miro board to make it visually engaging. Once your board is complete, review your entire career pivot story. Ensure each section accurately reflects your journey. Adjust as necessary to clarify your message. Finally, save your Miro board. Consider sharing it with a mentor or career coach for feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.